discussion. This is our classroom rules. So first is give respect to others. Second is work hard and do your best. Third is engage and participate. And last is business come. So now, I'll check your attendance. Say present if your name is Ready? Charlene? Present. Lara?
Present.
Wow, no one is absent for this morning. So now, pupils, who can still remember what was our lesson yesterday? Yes, Lara?
About different kind of sizes, features.
Yes, very good. Our lesson yesterday is all about the different kinds of sizes. Now, what are those different kinds of sizes? Yes, big, small, tall, short, and long. Yes, very good. So now, pupils, before we proceed to our new lesson, I want you all to meet my friend. She is my friend. Her name is Juana. What's her name?
Juana.
Yes. Now, pupils, Juana needs help because she lost her precious gem. Would you help her find her missing gem?
Yes.
Would you help her find her missing gem?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, that's great. So now, before we start our trip, let us first check her boat. Oh no! The flag of her boat has holes. Let us first fix the flag. Now, pupils, what is the shape of the first hole?
Circle.
Yes, it is circle. How about the next hole?
Rectangle.
Yes, it is rectangle. How about the next hole?
Circle.
Yes, it is also a circle. What about the last hole?
Rectangle.
Yes, it is also a rectangle. Okay, now that Juana's boat is ready, we can now start looking for her missing gem. Now, Juana reached a pirate store. So she bought 2 crabs and 2 fish. Juana arranged them in her cooler. Now, let us see how Juana arranged the seafoods in her cooler. First is the what? Yes, it is crab. Second is the squid and another crab and squid. Very good. Now that we saw how Juana arranged the seafoods in her cooler, let us now go on searching for her missing gem. At last, Juana reached the other island, where she found her. Yes, Juana found her missing gem. Do you think Juana is happy now?
Yes.
Why?
Because we found
Yes, Juana is happy because she found her missing gem. Okay. Now, pupils, do you have any idea what is our lesson for this morning?
Yes, teacher.
What, Lizzie?
It's all about AB pattern.
Yes, our lesson for today is all about AB pattern. What is AB pattern? Do you have any idea what is AB pattern?
No, teacher.
Okay. AB pattern is can you read?
AB pattern is a type of repeating pattern where 2 different elements, labeled A and B, alternate in a sequence.
Okay. Now I'll give you example. Let us see how the gardener or me as the gardener planted the flowers. Now pupils, how many colors of flowers do you see?
2.
Yes, there are only 2 colors of flowers. Now, the first color, the first yellow is a yellow flower. Now, we will label it as the A object. Understand?
Yes, teacher.
How about the red flower? How we the A object. And another red flower, which is our object B, and we will also label it as the object B. Okay. And that is what we call an AB pattern, because it is a type of repeating pattern where two different elements labeled A and B alternate in a sequence. Understand?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, now I'll give you another example. Look at the picture. I have here two bags and two books. Now, look at the picture how I arrange the objects. First is the bag, which is I labeled as the A object. And second is the book, which is our object B. And another bag, which is the object A, and book, which is our object B. Understand?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good. So now, can anyone give an example of an AB pattern using an object? Yes, Prissy?
Okay, so I have here two pens and two pencils, teacher. The first pen is labeled as an object A and the pencil is an object B. And another pen is an object A and the pencil is object B.
Yes, very good. Give Prissy a 5 plus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now pupils, for you to understand well our lesson, let's have a group activity. I will divide you into 2 groups. So each, for the group 1, what you will going to do is color the pattern in a red, blue, and blue sequence. Understand?
Yes, teacher.
And for the group 2, what you are going to do is draw an AB pattern using triangle and circle. And for the group 3, arrange the objects to make an AB pattern. Is that clear?
Yes, teacher.
No more questions?
No, teacher.
Okay, I'll give you 10 minutes to answer. Time is up. You may now kindly paste your answers on the board. Okay, let's check. For the group 1, color the pattern in a red, blue sequence. Is it red?
Yes.
Blue?
Yes.
Red?
Yes.
Blue?
Yes.
Red?
Yes.
And blue?
Yes.
Yes, very good, group 1. You've got all correct answers. Let's check for group 2. Draw an AB pattern using triangle and circle. Triangle, circle, triangle, circle, triangle, and circle. Very good. Also, group 2, you've got all correct answers. And for the group 3, arrange the objects to make an AB pattern. Is it a chair?
Yes.
Pencil?
Yes.
Chair?
Yes.
Pencil?
Yes.
Chair?
Yes.
And pencil?
Yes.
Is it an AB pattern?
Yes.
Yes, it is also a AB pattern. Very good. Also, group 3, you've got all correct answers. Now, I want everybody to please stand and let's do ang galing-galing clap. Okay, please stand. Okay,
Dagko kay mo.
it goes like this. Ang galing-galing, ang galing-galing, ang galing-galing, Okay, let's do it together. Ang galing-galing, ang galing-galing, ang galing-galing, Okay, you may now take your seat. So now, pupils, what is AB pattern again? It's a type of repeating pattern where two different elements labeled A and B alternate in a sequence. Now, pupils, it is very important to study AB pattern because it helps us to recognize how things repeat and change. It teaches us how to think logically, to predict what comes next
Okay,
and
please
understand
proceed to the next part, please.
Okay. Now I'll give you another activity. What you are going to do is complete the pattern by drawing the missing figure. Understand?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, I'll give you 5 minutes to answer.
We're done, teacher.
Okay, pass your papers. then for your assignment, make make your own pattern and pass it tomorrow. Understand?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Now before you leave, please arrange your chairs properly, okay?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, and that's all for today. Goodbye, pupils.
Goodbye.